very simple. Just like an author, J.K. Rowling and Harry Potter, TCE shapes itself. Its creative essence, which is why I call it true creative essence. It shapes itself into people, places, things, appearances in inner space or story space. And that's enough. That's all that's needed. How that actually happens, scientists have their theories and spiritual teachers have their theories, and there's all these stories, but to me it's just not necessary. The simple truth is enough. TCE shapes itself, its creative essence, into everything that gets experienced, and ironically, it's exactly the same thing as the author of a book. In the book, as I said, many different people, many different places, many different things, many different thoughts, feelings, sensations, happenings in story space, complicated stories, but one author, and everything is coming from the creative essence, the imagination, whatever, of the author, no matter what it looks like. And it's the same thing. It's very simple. The mind machine can complicate it and very often tries to. And that's all that matters. And the how, I don't know. It just does it somehow. The how isn't important, and I don't think any of us could really understand it anyway. I mean, I gave you in wave one some of the science. They're subatomic particles, and they do certain things, and they combine, and then there's cells and atoms and cells and molecules and organs and bodies and chairs and tables, and science explains how all of this gets, but it doesn't matter. I mean, that's interesting for some people. I do talk about it a little bit because it's useful to a little bit, but otherwise, I just feel like saying, who cares? It's here. There is some creative process that TCE goes through that puts it here. We're never going to be able to understand it. It doesn't matter. Understanding its TCE shaping itself into all of this for the reasons that we talked about to have the experiences is all that's important to my bias. And you're welcome to try to get more, but I don't have it to give to you, and I don't think that it's important. That's just my bias.